Hey, I'm going to be doing another startup video for you guys. Also showing you the power windows, power locks, power mirrors, all that good stuff. Let you see how all that operates. Close the door, get it nice and quiet in here for you. Get my key. For you guys to see too, so the remote key works. Cranks right up. New battery. All good. Like I said in one of my other videos, air works great, blows ice cold. Radio.
Limited time offer, restrictions apply.
CD player. Works awesome. All the cup holders. These usually break in a lot of the Tahoes, Suburbans. Not this one. Very nice. Looks like it's never been used. Super clean. Still has the second key, never been used. See if you can see this mirror. Works. Power still works to it. Passenger mirror, power works. That's controlled right here. So yeah, both those work, which is pretty rare. Those broke a lot in these. One touch, fancy. It's one touch going down, you gotta hold it going up. But yeah, that was fancy stuff back then, 97. All the lights work. The door locks work. Everything's all good. She's a stunner, let me tell you. You guys, I don't know if you can see, but it's like brand new up under there too. It's so nice. These WeatherTech floor mats have been here, I think, since essentially new, but yeah, the interior is just stunning on this truck. You never find them like this. Just a gorgeous specimen. Absolutely stunning.